Hey guys, I want to talk about the straw rocket activity in Unit 4. Ta-da! It seems pretty straightforward, and yet there are some issues that for me were a little confusing, so I just want to point out a few things. First, you're going to have all these strips cut out for kids in advance. There's this template that is available. I will put it in an email out to directors that you can use if you want. Or you could just measure it and have the strips out. This is what I did. You can fit about 5 strips per 9 by 11 piece of paper. And on this one, you got to just note that there's like these are for fat pencil template on this side, and this is for regular pencil. So you can't really even use the whole sheet, so I don't know if you want to use it, but it's good to kind of have one for reference if you want. So you take the strip of paper and a pen or pencil. If you're using a small pen or pencil, the size must be different, specific size. You can either roll it, let's see if you can see, roll it like this, just straight, rolling it straight, and tape it that way, or you can roll it like this, where you're kind of rolling it up that way, and then tape it as you go and just keep moving the pen up. That's how I did mine. I think it was easier for me. There's these wooden dowels in the kit, and it refers to them in the material section, but never again the activity sheet. I thought maybe these are for helping you to roll the paper, but that doesn't seem useful, so I'm not really sure what these are for. The hard part, the next hard part, so you roll it up, then you have to make a cone. There's different types of cones you could do. You could shred it, you could make it closed at the top, you can curve it, and there's a little activity sheet from NASA that it's like in the activity sheet here, it says, check out the rest of this lesson with this. For the following instructions and diagrams for making attached fins and nose cones, go here. So I looked at it, and it is useful, so I'll send that out in the email also about the different types of cone noses you can make. Okay, to do the fins, here's my fins right here. There is no template, and there's nothing for kids to trace or whatever, which is good because it's STEM learning. They're not just supposed to be doing cookie cutter or whatever we want them to do, right? But for program coordinators, that might be confusing of how to do it. It says to just cut out 3 or 4 fins. On the NASA attachment, it said to make a square. So I just used one of my strips, and I folded it into about equal square. Okay. Then you're supposed to cut in the NASA one, and I'll send you that template. It shows, I'll show you the shape that I'm about to cut. Why don't I draw it so you can see it better? So you're going to cut something that looks kind of like this. And because the paper's folded, it will make 2 equal size deals. And then when you tape it, so I've got that cut out, ba-dink-a-dink. When I tape it to pretend this is my rocket since it already has it, but pretend this is, the straw is it. You'll tape it here, tape the top of it on, I'll tape the bottom of it right here, and then you just want to fold those pieces out, so that it's all aerodynamic and super fun. And then you could do another one the other side with this guy, and then you'll have it very amazing. And then there's a way for you to test them. When the kids think that they're done, they pulled it out at eye level in front of them and they drop it. If the nose hits the ground first, that means it's good. If it still hits horizontally or tail end first, that means they need to go back and work on the aerodynamics. And then all you do is you put the straw in, and then you can shoot them. So, and you want to launch them, not shoot. You're going to launch them at a target. So you might want to pick something in the room. The kids are supposed to be wearing goggles for this part because in case it gets in somebody's eyeballs. And you just puff strongly, it says. This one might not take that long to do, so I would have the kids decorate their rockets. They can name them. You can have different contests for how high can it go, how long can it stay in flight, how far can it go, all those kinds of things. But that's it. Thank you.